Counting in groups. Keep your multiplication tables handy. At any point of time, feel free to pause the video to solve the problem before going ahead. Count the dots. Counting the dots is easier if you count in groups of, say, 2. Here there are 9 groups of 2. 9 times 2 is 18. There are 18 dots. How many dots are shown now? There are 7 groups of 3. 7 times 3 is 21. There are 21 dots. Want to check? How many dots are shown now? There are 5 groups of 4. 5 times 4 is 20. There are 20 dots. How many dots are shown now? There are 6 groups of 5. 6 times 5 is 30. There are 30 dots. How many dots are shown now? There are 9 groups of 6. 9 times 6 is 54. There are 54 dots. How many dots are shown now? One group has 7 dots. There are 6 groups of 7. 6 times 7 is 42. There are 42 dots.